going out there, folks? Rooster here in Tennessee. Going to do a quick video. Radio we're looking at today is a Kenwood TS130S. As you can see, it's a sideband transceiver. It does have CW on it and a SSB. Here's the band selector. Overview of all the controls. Send and receive over here. And we'll go ahead and power this thing on. Radio that I'm not very familiar with. Go ahead and be up front with you on that. Never owned one before. Messing with that send and receive switch there. It is a sideband only rig. Its current state, it does not cover 11 meters. I'm sure that it's possible to make it cover 11 meters. I'm sure there's a mod for it. Well, I mean, I'm not sure. I'm not 100% sure, but there might be. For those interested in that mod. It does come with the Kenwood stock mic. Can be switched from noise canceling to normal. It's in good shape. Let's see, what else? We'll test it on the bird, and what we'll do is we'll test it as high as it will go, basically, and then we'll test it as low as it'll go, and then we'll test it somewhere in between. So we'll start off up here, 29 megahertz. Come over here to our watt meter, 500 watt slug. Turn that on, and we'll be on sideband. So we're looking at our middle scale on sideband. Audio, 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 right at 100 watts. Audio test, 1, 2, 3. That is on peak. Hello, audio and sideband. Audio test, 1, 2, 3. Audio, right at 100 watts. So what we'll do, we'll come back over here to our band selector, and we're going to go to, let's see, we'll go to low 28 megahertz. So we'll zoom back in on our meter here. Audio test, 1, 2, 3. Audio test, 1, 2, 3. Audio test, right at 100 watts. Audio test, 1, 2, 3. Audio test, audio test, audio test, 1, 2, 3. Audio test, 1, 2, 3. Audio, it's pulling about 9 amps on our power supply over there. Audio test, 1, 2, 3. Audio. Doing right at 100 watts. We'll zoom out. Come over here to our band selector. We'll go all the way down to 3 megahertz. Audio test, 1, 2, 3. Audio test, about 125, 135 watts. This is into a dummy load, by the way. I don't know if I said that, but as usual, all of our tests go into a dummy load, and we're on the MFJ 1500 watt solid state dummy load. And this is again on sideband. Audio test, audio, so about 135, 130 watts peak, and that's on 3 megahertz. Hello, 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 audio. You can hear the static in the background from it there. We'll flip over to CW real quick, and our carrier, we'll just turn it all the way up just to get an idea here real quick what this thing will go. It's over 100 watts carrier. I wouldn't run it like that, but it will run like that. Let's go to 28 megahertz. Oop. Hello, hello, hello. Didn't key near as much there. Keep keying the mic on accident. There we go. just under 100 on 28 megahertz. And about 90 on 29 megahertz. That's all we're going to do for a test. Like I said, this thing does run on an external power supply. It's in pretty good shape. It's got some dust on it and a little corrosion on the back of it, but not a big deal. Top view, I did wipe it down with some 409. Probably give it another good cleaning. It was a little dusty where it was at. But that's it. If you're into the Kenwood radios, maybe you're a collector of them, or maybe you just want a good sideband radio. And you know, if you're a CBer, like I said, the thing might be able to be unlocked for 11 meters, but I'm not sure. I'm not 100% on that. But there it is, folks. It's a Kenwood TS130S, and it is definitely for sale. Comes with the mic. I hope you guys enjoyed this video on a radio that I don't know a whole lot about. I'll catch you out there, 73s.